CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 10 Circles, Exercise 10.2, 5th question. Alright, now let's read the question. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So this is the question, okay. So this is a little different question from rest of them. So please guys concentrate on this question, okay. Alright, so whenever we have something related to circles, we are supposed to draw a circle first, okay. Okay, so there is a circle. So we are supposed to prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact. So here if I just draw a tangent, okay, once again. So here this is the tangent, okay. So here this is the point of contact, isn't it? So point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Okay, so here if I just draw a line like this to the center, this is the center, right? So here if I just draw a line like this, then this is the radius, isn't it? Radius of a circle. Then here, according to theorem 10.1, here it will be 90 degrees, isn't it? So this is the point of contact, this is x and this is y, okay. Okay, so this is a tangent. So the tangent of a circle is perpendicular to the center, okay. We are supposed to prove it. How to prove that? That is the question here, okay. So to prove that, first of all, let us write the given values. So according to the question they mentioned, xy is a tangent and OP is perpendicular xy, isn't it? So O, this is O. So OP is perpendicular to xy, that is the meaning. Okay, so what are we supposed to prove? So we are supposed to prove O is the center. Center of the circle. So here when you just read the question properly, we are supposed to prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. We are supposed to prove that we drew the tangent and the perpendicular line, right? We are supposed to prove that it is passing through the center, okay. So we are supposed to prove that this line is passing through the center, okay. So in another word I can say O is the center of the circle. So we are supposed to prove that this O is the center of the circle, okay. So if I want to prove that O is the center of the circle, so now the question is how to prove this as a center, this as the center of the circle. This is somewhat an odd question, isn't it? Okay guys, so the question is how to prove that this is the center of the circle. So this is somewhat an odd question, isn't it? So for example, in the first chapter, we studied that if you want to prove something is irrational, for example, if root 3 is irrational, we used to take, let us assume root 3 as rational, isn't it? After taking it like that, at last we used to say that through contradiction root 3 is irrational. Likewise in this circle, we want to prove this is the center of the circle, isn't it? So but it is impossible to show that this is the center of the circle, isn't it? So don't worry guys. So what we are going to do is I am going to take a point near to the center. I am going to name it as O dash, okay. So here if I just draw a line like this, okay. So here I am going to take a random point near the center of the circle and I am going to name it as O dash, okay. So now alright, so now we did a construction, isn't it? So since we did a construction, now we are supposed to mention that, okay. So let us write construction. You will get to know at last why am I doing it like that, okay. So construction. Alright, so we are supposed to take any point O dash near to O and joined O dash P. Okay, so this is the meaning of this construction. Alright, so now let us show the proof. What is the meaning of proof? We are supposed to, according to the figure, what all things it is given in the figure, no, we are supposed to write that. Okay, so let us write, let O dash is a center of the circle. Okay, so according to the diagram, no, I can say O dash P is parallel to xy, isn't it? So where is O dash? O dash, here it is. O dash P is parallel to xy, isn't it? I'm sorry, literally sorry. It is perpendicular, okay, not parallel, perpendicular. So here O dash P is perpendicular to xy, isn't it? Of course, it is a 90 degree. So you can write. Okay, so it is a 90 degree, isn't it? That is the meaning of it. Through which theorem? Theorem 10.1. Okay, all right. And then I can say angle O dash PY is equal to 90 degree, isn't it? How can I say? Why? Because here is O dash and P is here and Y is, this is Y, okay? Okay, is perpendicular to Y. Why is it perpendicular? Because of theorem 10.1. Okay, so if you want to mention that, you can mention that. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, so now since I wrote the values, no, then I can write OP is parallel to XY. So where is OP? OP is here, which is parallel, perpendicular to XY. I am sorry for using the word parallel. It is we should not use it. We are supposed to use perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular means 90 degree. So this OP is perpendicular to XY. Okay, all right. Then I can say angle OPY is equal to 90 degree. So it is already given, right? OPY. So this is already given in the question. Of course, here you can see perpendicular. It is already given in the question. Okay, so let us write given. Okay, so let us write given. All right. Okay, so now when you just look at it, no, here we have angle O dash PY is 90 degree and angle OPY is also 90 degree, isn't it? Then I can write O dash PY is equal to OPY is equal to 90 degree, isn't it? I just showed it as 90 degree. Okay. Okay guys, so now what did I do actually? So I just wrote all the things given in the figure, isn't it? So whenever we want to show something like proof, no, first write what all the things mentioned in the figure. So according to this figure, no, O dash P is perpendicular to XY. This is a common thing. And OP is also perpendicular to XY. And then OPY is 90 degree and O dash PY is also 90 degree. So we just wrote those stuffs here. Nothing else, isn't it? So now the thing we need is, we want to prove that O is the center of the circle. How to do it? So it seems impossible, isn't it? So how can I do it means, I am going to write this is, so this is possible if O dash, one second. Okay, so now I wrote this is possible if O dash and O coincides, isn't it? What is the meaning of coincides? Coincides means, so here if there is a point, okay, and then if I keep another one point upon this point, that is the meaning of coincides. So here if this O dash is attaching to O, then it will become a center, isn't it? Of course, it will become a center of the circle. So that is the meaning of this. Okay. Okay guys, so now I wrote, therefore the perpendicular at the point of contact to a tangent to a circle passes through the center. Okay. So therefore it passes through the center. Okay. So this is a really important word. And here coincides is a really an important word. Okay, so here first it seemed impossible, isn't it, that for example in the chapter number 1 proving irrational is impossible, so we took it as rational, isn't it? Likewise here, no, we told that if this is possible when it is coincides, when it coincides. Okay, coincides means if you have a point like this, upon that point if you keep a point, no, that is the meaning of coincides. Okay, so this is the answer for fifth question.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.